Welcome to the series of the National Parks of India. In this video, we will learn the national parks of the state of West Bengal. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. So before we jump into the national parks of the state, I want you to always remember that 5 out of 6 national parks of West Bengal lies only in the 2 districts, Jalpaiguri and Darjeeling, and the 6th one lies in the South 24 Parganas district of West Bengal. Okay, now let's look at them one by one. So the first national park of West Bengal is the Buxa National Park. It is situated in the Alipurdwar subdivision of Jalpaiguri district of West Bengal. It was established in the year of 1992. Actually, this national park is also a tiger reserve. Mostly this national park is known by the name of tiger reserve than the national park. In the year of 1983, it was made as the 15th Tiger Reserve of India. International border of Bhutan lies to the north of this national park, and the state boundary of Assam lies very close to it. Some of the important species found in this national park are Indian tigers, leopards, clouded leopards, hog badger, and jungle cat. Now the second national park of West Bengal is the Gorumara National Park. It is also situated in the Jalpaiguri district of West Bengal. It was established in the year of 1992 with an area of about 79 square kilometers. Initially, it was declared as a wildlife sanctuary in the year of 1949. This national park is famous for its vast population of great Indian one-horned rhinos. By the way, this national park was made as a national park only because the population of rhinos was increasing in this region. This national park is bounded by the river Murti on its east and the river Nora to its west. Both these rivers are the tributary rivers of the river Brahmaputra. Now, apart from rhinos, this national park has a variety of wildlife like elephants, bisons, leopards, jungle cat, etc. Now, the third one is the Jaldapara National Park. It is also situated in the same Jalpaiguri district of West Bengal. Along with this, it is also a wildlife sanctuary established in the year of 1941 for the purpose of protecting one-horned Indian rhinos. The park was established in the year of 2014 with an area of about 216 square kilometers. Toto tribes and the Mech tribes used to stay in this area before 18th century. At that time, this place was known as Jaldapara. This national park is a very dense forest. The trees here rise up to the skies and allows very little sunlight to penetrate to the ground. This park is a home to the rhinos, elephants, Indian civet, giant squirrels, hispid hare, and Indian porcupines. Now, if you talk about the birds of this national park, then the fishing eagle, crested eagle, cicaras, peafowl, ricket-tailed drongo, and the paradise flycatchers are important ones. Now, the fourth national park of West Bengal is the Nora Valley National Park. It lies in the Darjeeling district of West Bengal. It was established as a national park in the year of 1986 with an area of about 159 square kilometers. The name of the park, Nora Valley, is given after the river Nora, which flows through it. The river is a tributary of the Brahmaputra river. One very important thing about this national park is that the red pandas are found here. Himalayan thar, flying squirrels, golden cat, shrew, etc. are the important mammals found here. Now, the fifth one is the Singalila National Park. Again, it is also situated in the Darjeeling district of West Bengal. It was designated as a national park in the year of 1986. Before that, it was a wildlife sanctuary. It spreads over an area of about 78 square kilometers and located at the altitude of more than 7,000 feet above the sea level. This national park is the highest national park of West Bengal. The park is famous for the species of red pandas. Red panda is also the state animal of Sikkim. It is listed as an endangered species under the IUCN Red List. This species of red panda is found in the forests of India, Nepal, Bhutan and northern mountains of Myanmar and southern China. In India, about 5,000 to 6,000 red pandas are estimated to be present in the states of Sikkim, Western Arunachal Pradesh, Darjeeling district of West Bengal and the parts of Meghalaya. China is the first country in terms of red panda population. About 6,000 to 7,000 red pandas are found here. Similarly, Arunachal Pradesh has the highest population of red pandas in India. Anyways, so the sixth and the last national park of West Bengal is the Sundarban National Park. So the park is located to the southeast of Kolkata. Actually, Sundarban is a delta which is formed by the river Ganga and the river Brahmaputra at their mouths when they enter into the Bay of Bengal. It lies across the countries of India and Bangladesh. Sundarban has a vast mangrove forest ecosystem. The mangrove forest looks like this. Now we know that this delta is the largest delta in the world and also contains world's largest mangrove forests. So now it's natural that it must have many species that need to be conserved, right? So finally, the conservation efforts in India were made with the creation of Sundarban Tiger Reserve in the year of 1973. Sundarban was made a national park in the year of 1984 and it was designated as a UNESCO's World Heritage Site in the year of 1987. And finally, it was designated as a Biosphere Reserve by UNESCO in the year of 2001. It is also one of the wetland sites in India. This national park is a home to many rare and globally threatened wildlife species such as Assurine crocodile, Royal Bengal tigers, water monitor lizard, Gangetic dolphins and olive ridley turtles. So these were all the national parks of the state of West Bengal. With this, we have come to the end of this particular video. If you liked it, please let me know through your comments. Thanks for watching.